Yo, what's up guys? Andy here. Today we're on Cash App and I'm going to show you how to enable Bitcoin. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, you have a savings account, you can invest in Bitcoin, stocks, and more. There's a card where you can spend your balance, and there's peer-to-peer payments. If you haven't signed up for this app yet, you can use the link down in the description and get $5 for free. There's also hundreds of tutorials and experiments on my channel for Cash App if you want to subscribe and see more. Today we're talking about the Bitcoin section, which can be found here on the home page. So Bitcoin is going to be this blue colored tab here towards the bottom left. Go ahead and tap on that. This will tell us some more information about Bitcoin. You can see I currently hold $1.84 of Bitcoin. The current price for one Bitcoin is $21,763, down almost 1% today. We can go to a weekly view, a monthly view, a yearly view, and an all-time view. Now, if you haven't purchased any Bitcoin yet, you might not have all of the features unlocked. So to get started, I recommend two things. First, just tap the buy button. Try and buy $1 of Bitcoin. Make sure you can do it, make sure everything goes smooth. If it doesn't let you do it, you might need more approval. Usually before you can start any of the investing sections within Cash App, you're gonna have to provide additional information to verify your identity. And you can do it right within the app. There'll be a button somewhere here that you click, and you'll have to provide another form of identity. Usually you just have to upload your driver's license, which is standard for any investing app. If you buy Bitcoin and it still doesn't go through that step, here's what I recommend. Down here where it says your Bitcoin address, you can tap on that. Your address is this string of letters and numbers here that you can copy. If it doesn't show your address right away, then it will prompt you to go through those extra verification steps. Once you've purchased $1 of Bitcoin to test it out and you can see your address here, you're all set up to use Bitcoin on Cash App. From there, you can buy, sell, send, and receive Bitcoin through Cash App. I don't recommend storing Bitcoin on any of these apps. Get a hardware wallet like Ledger, and you can buy Bitcoin on these apps and then send it over to your other wallet. That's all the basics you need to know to enable Bitcoin on Cash App and get started using it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.